You want to learn to speak Turkish. How many how to learn Turkish videos have you watched on YouTube? Do you remember yourself struggling to make sense of things? Can you remember the numerous websites you spent hours visiting, compiling basic Turkish phrases? Are you stuck trying to understand Turkish grammar? Almost everyone who discovered the Turkishaholic website told me that it was a breath of fresh air. They told me how happy they became because they didn't have to waste time on Google searches. Learning Turkish didn't have to be a hassle because Turkishaholic had every kind of Turkish learning material they needed. They also had a professional Turkish teacher by their side whenever they were stuck and needed assistance. These are all the words you've sent me these past 2.5 years, and I'm glad I could help you. There were 55 of you who wanted to further focus on learning Turkish and not waste time deciding where to start and became unlimited members. They accessed the full potential of Turkishaholic, unique learning materials and exercises not available anywhere else. Turkishaholic is changing once again, and like the 55 people who already took the big step, I would like to invite you to make a positive change in your life. Let's make your Turkish learning fun, easy, and effortless. At the end of 2022, the Turkishaholic website is completely changing. First of all, 6 new premium Turkish grammar courses are coming. The first course will start from A1, complete beginner level. It is for people who don't know any Turkish. The final level of the course will be C2, mastery. This type of course will be the first of its kind. All the lessons will have exercises ranging from reading, writing, speaking, and listening. I will guide you at every step of the Turkish learning journey. A completely new functional Turkish series will also start. If you like learning Turkish through dialogues, you will love these series. I plan to make more than 50 different series covering different topics, such as first meetings, buying things at a shop, booking a hotel room, asking for directions, and much more. There's so much more coming that I will announce in time, but I have something more important to tell you. With the new Turkishaholic website, we are also moving away from the current membership system. Once the new website goes live, I will sell all these new premium Turkish learning content individually, but this doesn't have to affect you negatively. I have something special just for you. In April, I started a special offer open to only unlimited members. In these past 2 months, I've got numerous messages and emails stating whether I could extend this offer. Most people said that they needed more time or didn't understand what I included in this offer. So, what is this offer? For a limited time until the end of July 2022, if you become an unlimited member, you will get more than €6,000 worth of content for only 125 euros. It is a crazy once-in-a-lifetime offer for all of you who have supported Turkishaholic and helped us become who we are today. I originally intended to limit this offer to only 25 people and had 6 more people until I reached this number. But I received many requests asking if I could extend the offer a bit more. I understand everyone has their reasons and I want to help you with Turkish, not drag you down. So I extended this offer, but please be aware that this is the last time and I won't do this again. If you become an unlimited member now for 125 euros, here is what you'll get. All 6 levels of the new Turkish grammar course, from A1 to C2, are worth 3,182 euros. All 6 levels of the supplementary exercises for the new Turkish grammar course are worth 1,682 euros. And finally, the first 5 parts of the functional Turkish series, which are worth 1,485 euros in total. So basically, you will get 6,349 euros worth of premium Turkish learning content for only 125 euros. Don't forget, this offer is valid until 31 July 2022 until 12 p.m. GMT +3 Turkish time. When you become an unlimited member, I will manually add you to the list of people who will get the new premium Turkish learning content with the new website. When the time comes, I will inform all unlimited members privately with an email message. While I'm constructing the new website, you don't have to wait and do nothing. Currently, we have so many premium Turkish learning materials available on the website, such as the 2 additional Turkish courses, Introduction to Turkish and Intermediate Turkish, and additionally the dialogue series, exercise database and reading materials, and much more. They should be enough to keep you occupied until the new website is up and running. Once this offer ends, I will close all new signups to unlimited membership too. Bronze membership will still be available, but that is a 1-month premium membership and you will only get access to the current premium materials. You won't get added to the list of people who will get this special offer. Visit the link in the description and become an unlimited member now. An offer like this won't ever happen again. Save big, save the hassle, and save your time. Focus on learning Turkish from the best website on the internet. Let me help you on your journey with Turkish like I helped so many people.